In the meantime, Transport Minister Daryl Vaz is promising that the Transport Authority is committed to weeding out rogue public passenger vehicle operators. Krista Campbell has that story.
No sooner had the new fare hike for public passenger vehicles, PPVs, taken effect than the complaints began about some taxi operators overcharging. Less than a week later, an assurance from Transport Minister Daryl Vaz that the government is taking the reports of overcharging and extortion very seriously.
I want to make it very clear that the Transport Authority has ramped up their enforcement. We have an additional 50 transport inspectors on the road, and we're working closely with ACP Gary McKenzie from PSTEM in order to make sure that we do operations.
He says there have been 50 operations since Tuesday.
There has been over 182 prosecutions in the last 4 days, 21 of which have been for overcharging. And this is across the island, and we're going to maintain and sustain these operations until we bring everybody in line with the regulated fares.
Now, despite the increased operations and prosecutions of what he terms rogue taxi operators, Minister Vaz notes it's almost impossible for the police and transport authorities to catch them all. And so, this appeal to commuters.
Resist from taking those transport that are charging and overcharging the regulated fares. And if you need to boycott them, because that's the only way that we will bring them to book. The government, the Transport Authority, the police alone cannot do this. The commuters must play their part. You have the Transport Authority numbers, the WhatsApp numbers. Take videos, take pictures, and make reports via whatever means, including reporting to the police or the Transport Authority offices island-wide.
The Transport Authority has outlined extensive efforts to sensitize the public and PPV operators about the new approved fares and to provide channels, including an additional WhatsApp number and extended call center hours for reports of overcharging. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.